Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Autism Awareness and Acceptance Month.
Head,
Guys,
shoulders,
today I bring to you
knees,
my son,
toes.
Gusasudishe, who's living with autism. And
Head,
he's now 5 years
shoulders,
old.
knees
He'll be
and
turning
toes.
6 in June.
Knees,
And yes,
toes.
guys, we have traveled the journey
Head,
together with my son from
shoulders,
birth
knees and
until
toes.
now. And
Knees
today
and
I'm not just here to
toes.
ask for sympathy, whatever. But I'm just here to encourage a parent who's just found out that their kid is autistic, or someone who's been living with a child that's autistic, to say, hey there, you are not alone. Look at me here. I'm living with my son. We've been together since he was born. I've actually mastered so many things since he was born. Yes. To just answer a few questions that people might have. Is autism, having an autistic child costly? Yes, guys, having an autistic child is costly. It's going to divert you away from your budget. Now, autism, you have got to pay for meds if your child is on meds. You got to pay for special food because they have preferential food. You're going to pay for a certain type of fabric that they prefer to wear, because some of them because that irritates their bodies. You're gonna pay for a special type of shoe that he prefers wearing. If any of these things is so titengile and agatitande, he's gonna put them there. Unfortunately, as a parent, you always need to have plan B. So Mineke, as a mother, I've been with my son. I support him every step of the way, and I always encourage every other parent to actually support their kids. Guys, they turn out to be better people when they have the support. And what other question can I answer?
Thank you.
What other challenges? Guys, one of the challenges is that when you have an autistic child, you can't live just your life. You also have to live impilo yalo mntwana lomkhulisako. If any decision you want to make is going to negatively affect your child, unfortunately, you will be forced to actually change that decision. The other thing, society, stigma lesikhulu that comes with having an autistic child. So you are going to need a support system. Guys, I cannot emphasize enough the importance of having a support system. You are not going to survive this world on your own with an autistic child or any child living with special needs. So it is important to have your support system in order, your family, your church, whoever you can find. Please do make sure you get it and you get it right. Nangabe ude and you are in Eswatini, do come join Autism Eswatini. Sine family group la sicoca khona, sicoce buhlungu bethu nebunanzi bethu. It always works, guys. Other than just being there ukukhala, reach out to other parents. Kungenteka kube udathu uyaphakamisa ivoice yakho ivakale, usitakale in one way or the other. I always say, if a parent comes to me, I say, I want to help my child with my autistic child with ABC, but if I have it, I'm going to help you, because I know exactly how it feels to raise an autistic child. I know the amount of money I've spent trying to suit my autistic child. Oh, my job can afford me and my bills, but my job cannot afford my autistic son. You know why I say so? Because Emma needs emthana lo autistic a daily. Kanzi Emma needs emcashi bawasotha monthly. So if you have a job, please consider supplementing your income. Have that hustle. Do whatever you can to get extra money. If you have a financial support from family shop, you are better off. But whatever you're doing, always make sure you have a backup. It's not easy, guys, raising an autistic child. And it comes with a lot of emotional strain. please do consider getting a bit of counseling, getting whatever help you can get. But the other question is, can you go to church when you have an autistic child? It's tricky. It depends on the people you go to church with. I go to church because I have a church that supports me and my child. And
Thank you, Big
Bayam
Brother. Great
understand
job.
that. So I always go to church to actually get that 2-minute break with my kids to say, "Ngidabanalo 2 hours. Lapho khona the church is taking care of my son and I'm getting time to rest." And guys, if you can have someone longa kuphumuta, even if it's for a weekend, please do. Don't keep your kids to yourselves. Nize nisabe kutfole break because nita uhlanya. Eventually you're gonna lose it because kunengi kwenteka fast. And one of the most draining things, especially in a case of my son, and I know it's a lot of other kids, it's the fact that bayabaleka ekhaya bahambe, they have no sense of fear and no sense of danger. So when as a parent you just sit there hoping, hey, uyabona kuyobe usekamerweni only to find that usemgwaqweni, uyabona uzama kungena etimotweni. So it's not easy, guys. You go to hospital, ufike uyalwa, he doesn't want an injection, bayakujikisa esibhedlela. Some of these rude clinics, they literally turn you back to say, go back because umfana khawukhona ukumbamba, and uyakubhaba, same thing. You literally turn back. I always say, I appreciate my son's clinic, Manzini Clinic, Dr. Jabulani. Always there, always ready to assist, always ready to get extra men to help my son. And then when it comes to him cutting his hair, my landlord will always come through. It's him or his son, but one of them is going to come through. Let's cut Sas's hair. They understand the condition. But think about all these other people, support. So it's not easy, guys. So if you see a parent who's raising an autistic child, please give them a hug. They are going through so much, and it's even worse, guys, when you haven't accepted your child's condition, because you go through all of this in silence. If you have a community that supports your child, great. I will always want to appreciate a community as Seluve. When my son, out at my mom's home, those people love my son. Those people support my son. Those people, nabambona sasangene keteni, they literally call my grandparents and they will say, "Ningamfoni nang ubalekile ula." You know, because they now understand ukuthi uyabaleka angajeli umuntu. My son can't speak. My son was on a diaper for like 5 years. So you can imagine having a 5-year-old on diaper, people judging you for being a terrible parent. How it's been this and that. But I want my son to be off the diaper. He only came off the diaper at 5.5 years. But I just had to take it and keep moving. So guys, I've had to actually hide my son from some of my family members because I understand because they're going to break me down instead of making me feel better. Nomunye once said, awucabanga ukumshintsha leli gama asala ngabe ngikusaselihle sengibuka phela ukuthi nangisone autism vele leli kusasa asasilihle as you would have wanted. Uyambona lo muntu ukuthi they've literally written off your child. Noma wena ungathi uzama nakabuya la magama, you literally break down in tears. So if you're a parent and you have an autistic child, please find help. Try counseling. Mntana kethu angeke ukhone kumsupporta umnthanakho if wena awukho strong enough. You can never pour from an empty cup. You should have accepted wena. You should be happy and willing to be there every step of the way before we can even move on to say simsita njani umntana. So that's my message, guys, to say let's accept our kids. Batabe mukele mangweni if babona wena mdali uthi you are doing everything you can kumsupporta. Even with the relationships lesingena kuwo, if the relationship longena kuyo, it's going to affect your child. Puma. Puma. If your partner is not willing to accept your child, Puma. This is between you as a parent and your child and nobody else. And kude lo mnyelo ongakuthatha serious lo condition lomntana wakho other than wena. Always put your child first in everything that you do. So that's my message, guys. Thank you, guys. If you're new, hey, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Lots of love from me and Kusasalihle, my autistic son. I love you guys. Sorry.